Welcome back to the Sanda Track YouTube channel. Today's video is on how to open up the front door panel on the Mitsubishi Pajero in around 1 minute. You'll need a trim remover, or you can use simply a screwdriver. Remove the trim around the door handle. Next, use the trim to remove the switches for the window, and there's a plug you have to disconnect, and there's a plastic trim around where the door handle is. Just simply pull that out. And then with a screwdriver, remove the screws. There are a bunch of screws that you'll see in the video here. This is the second screw underneath the side mirror or beside the side mirror. There's a screw to the side of the door as well. And lastly, there's a small screw at the bottom as well, which has to be removed. You can simply just pull at it or try to turn it around. And then you start to simply pull at the trim panel, and the clips will start to come loose. Mine's been removed and put back a few times, so my plastic trim is a bit easier to pull out, but as you can see, I'm just going around with my hand to remove and loosen up the clips around. And then what you do is you simply pull the trim panel upwards and away from you, and it will just simply come off. So that's it. That's the simple guide on how to remove the Mitsubishi Pajero door panel in around 1 minute. If you're looking to do the same thing on the rear door, do look in the description below. There's a link for the rear door for how to remove it, or just watch the next video. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.